Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Potion for Learning. Today I'm going to show you how to teach your kids to write numbers, that is from 1 to 10. Whenever you are teaching or whenever you are introducing the numbers for the first time, make sure that you and your kids, both of them, write like this: T for tens and O for ones. Okay, make this a habit or a rule. So now the children, they love to sing, they love rhymes. So when you are introducing for the first time, sing it. Okay, so I have made up a song which you can also try. Okay, for numbers, oral. So you can make this for oral activities. Okay, for example, say standing line 1. Okay, peekaboo, it's number 2. You can do with action also. Okay, curly whirly 3. Look more for number 4. Vowels are 5. Let's fix number 6. Days are 7. Please wait for number 8. Are you fine with number 9? 10 says, I come after 9. So here ones are single digit numbers, okay, and 10 is the first tens. Okay, so now next, how will you teach your kids to write? So here again, tens and ones. So now this is how now you will teach your kids to write. Okay, standing line 1, a left curve and a sleeping line 2, a left curve and again another left curve 3, a small standing line, a little long sleeping line and a long standing line. A sleeping line, a small standing line and a left curve. 5. A big right curve, okay, take it up, stop. 6. A small sleeping line and a right slanting line. 7. So when it comes to 8, do not make your kids write like this, one circle and another circle. Okay, this is wrong way. Okay, so how will you teach them? Make it like this, similar to alphabet S, okay, and round here curve, and take this up and make a round. So this is 8 and a standing line and a right curve 9. So now after 8, what comes after 8? 9. So you can also teach the children after, okay, like what comes after 1, what comes after 2 and so on. So what comes after 8? 9. So there are two ways of writing 9. Okay, first is you can make right curve, okay, and a standing line, or a circle and a standing line. But I think this is much better. So a curve, right curve and a standing line. So for 10, what comes after 9? 10. So for 10, a standing line and a circle. Well, if you have introduced the concept of 0, then you can say it 0. Otherwise, you can say a standing line and a circle. So here are the 10 sketch pens which I have laid down. Please count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now I am going to hand over one by one this sketch pen in our hands, only in one hand. Okay, show me your hand. Okay, hold it. Okay, it should not come out. 1, hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now make a fist. So it's coming. 10.
No.
10 is not coming. Okay, how many left then?
9.
9. So put it down, please. Thank you. So just now you saw her holding 9 sketch pens very easily, but when it came to hold the 10th one, it was very difficult for her. It could not fit in her hand. So that ways you can say all the ones or the single digit number are small. Okay, and when it comes to double digit, okay, that is tens, they are always bigger than the single number. That is why she was able to hold all the single digit numbers, that is 9 sketch pens in her hand. Okay, but when it came to 10th one, it could not fit because it is a big number. It is bigger than the single digit number. And since 10 is the first double digit number, okay, or first 10, that is why it requires a special place below T. So this is how you can explain your kid and try this activity. So this is the worksheet that I have made for kids. Okay, here I have made the patterns stepwise to write the numbers. Okay, for example 1, see here, there are lots of dots. Okay, child will trace it like this, and suddenly I have reduced, okay, 3 dots, and here again 2 dots and just a single dot. So the interesting thing about this worksheet is that I have given an object also. So once they write tracing, okay, once they trace and write, they'll count the object 1, and so here 1. Same with 2. First curve, 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 and then sleeping line. Okay, curve, sleeping line, curve, sleeping line. This is left curve, sleeping line, left curve, sleeping line, left curve, sleeping line, and then here count the object 1, 2. So the child will write 2. This is a very nice worksheet, I feel. And then apart from learning to write the numbers, they will also learn counting, which is a good thing. So here again number 8, a right curve, okay, N, S, okay, like this, and here circle, again circle, and here the child will automatically learn the steps to write 8. And here the child will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching Potion for Learning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here. Do watch my counting videos. If you have not watched, I have shared the link in the description box. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching Potion for Learning.